half full, let's say a bit less than half full. Well, it's a nice day, it's Tuesday. It's a cracker day, variable. Wind's variable below 10, which is, well, doesn't get lower than that. Better call in. Yeah, there's the car park up there. And could I go on your sea log, please? 1 POB. And returning 1900 hours today. Did I? 7 plus 2 is 19. 7 o'clock, 1900, yeah.
1900 and 882 level.
That's it. Yep.
You're on the look.
Thank you very much. Catch you later. Bye. Easy fishing hours, and flat. Bye bye. Bit of surf up there. Yes, look at that.
Contacting Coast Government Little for a radio check coming through loud and clear, over.
A little. Those lizards again. Clown for special. Well, rubbish. shaft. Oh, oh. Gotta get him up before that fucking shark gets him. Come on. What are you? What are you? Redfish, I guess. No, not red. It's a fucking snapper. Oh, that I wouldn't mind. Not the biggest, but not the shabbiest either. Trevally broke it. Undersized pearlie. Silver. Silver. You're not undersized at all. No, legal. Well, that's good that they're around. Good call to come to Betty at this hour of the day. Well, how about that? First drop at Betty and he's 40. Hallelujah. Good old Betty. Alright, well. Alright, great. That's great, mate. That's great. That's great. sharky. Oh, yeah. Something. Come against a little hook, so I've got to be careful. Don't know what it is. Silver. Silver. Oh. Pearlie. But I don't know if you're legal. I just don't think so. I think you're one of those that gonna miss it by a centimetre. Oh, there we go. No, it doesn't look it. It does not look legal. Very short. $36. From your home. Oh, here we go. One bloody cooked by himself. Feels pearly. Doesn't feel huge. Not nothing though. I've wrapped up to I don't know. Don't know. I think that's too small. $37. Gob open. $37. Yeah, he looked a bit little. Hey! Sun setting on horizon, and I have to go over there. Setting at 5. Gone. Gone, gone, gone. Gone. Well, catch of the day, really only two good fish, the pearlie and the snapper, and a couple of other bits and pieces. Molong hiding in there, and some trevally, which I will try with ceviche. Alright, I decided I'd go and get some batteries. Got 3 of these. Oh, they're on special with a box and things, but that should double my time out in the sea at the cost of about $600, which is less than the cost of a 12 volt 36 volt converter, and certainly less than the lithium. And since I'm fishing, the boat can carry 600 to 700 kilos of weight. I'll have 200 kilos of batteries, 300 if house batteries are included. So they say you should charge these up before you use them. God damn. Well, that's fully charged. I don't know. I was upstairs for about half an hour, but I think it was charged up before that. So that one's done. So, alright, this is the damaged part where it broke, which I've cut with this Dremel. Cuts pretty good. I want to do it again because the dust is a bit fiberglassy. Can't breathe over here. Alright, so this bit was cut off and similarly trimmed on this one. Turned out that the break was just above the joining piece, which is here. So you can see that's been cut as well and cleaned up. And then the idea is this one of course won't fit in here. It needs to be a little bit rounded, which is just taking some sandpaper and a bit of a scratch here and there. And then finishing up with 5 P800. Smooth it up. I could have put that in a drill and spun it around, but I think I'm pretty good. That's going to go into here, there, like so. And I'm going to use my good old epoxy to glue that up, and that rod should be back in operation. Well, that's the theory. It may snap again at this weak point here. It'll come down that far, it'll come insert that far distance in, and that'll be epoxied, and then well, then we'll see if that holds. Trevally got me. Well, I got the trevally, but it kind of got me. Alright, so that was that repair.
Brown wire is our automatic lead, brown and white, manual override lead, and the black is our negative lead.
We have lemon with cubed trevally. And what's in here?
There's also a bit of olive oil here and a bit of coconut milk. And here there's coriander, chili, capsicum, onion, garlic, mango, and grapes. And olive oil and lemon juice and lime.
And we're having it on some cheese top rolls with a mixture of the salad and the ceviche. And then if that doesn't work out, we have someone who would appreciate it anyway. Good boy, Bear. Chew it up. Chew it up, Bear. Chew. Chew. Chew it up, Bear. I'm going to pat too. Did you lick me? Did you lick me? Did you lick me? You did too, you bugger. You bugger.